If you want Google Calendar to repeat an event every week, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a minute. Whether you're setting up a weekly meeting, workout, class, reminder, or recurring appointment, this is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and make sure you never have to create the same event over and over again. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the calendar screen, look for the Create button. In Google Calendar, this is usually found on the left side or near the top, depending on your device. Click Create, then choose Event. This opens the Event Setup window where you can enter all the details for your weekly repeating event. Now, enter the event title. This should be something clear and easy to recognize, like team meeting, gym session, staff call, or weekly review. After that, set the date and time for the first occurrence of the event. Make sure the first date is the exact day you want the recurring event to begin. If your event lasts more than one day or has a specific duration, adjust the start and end time accordingly so the calendar reflects it correctly. Next, look for the repeat setting. By default, Google Calendar usually shows does not repeat. Click that option to open the recurring event menu. This is where you can choose how often the event repeats. Since we want it to happen every week, select Weekly. Once you choose Weekly, Google Calendar will automatically prepare the event to repeat on that schedule. If you need the event to happen on a specific day of the week, check the day setting carefully. For example, if your event starts on a Monday, you can keep it on Monday every week. If you want to adjust it, make sure the correct day is selected so the event repeats exactly when you need it. This is especially helpful for planning recurring routines or team schedules that always happen on the same weekday. After that, you'll need to decide when the repeating event should stop. Google Calendar gives you a few options here. You can set an end date if you want the weekly event to stop after a certain time, or you can choose Never if you want it to continue indefinitely. If it's a long-term recurring event like a weekly team meeting, Never may be the best choice. If it's for a temporary class or project, setting an end date is usually better. Once everything looks correct, take one final moment to review the title, date, time, repeat frequency, and end setting. This step is important because it helps you avoid accidental scheduling mistakes. If all the details are right, click Save. Google Calendar will then create the recurring event and add it to your calendar every week based on the settings you chose. And that's it. You've now successfully made a Google Calendar event repeat every week. From here on, the event will automatically show up on the schedule without you having to recreate it each time. This is a simple but powerful way to save time and keep your calendar organized. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Google Calendar tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.